Guys, give me a minute. I'll be back. Okay. Okay, welcome to the stream. It's 14th date, I think. Yeah, it's 14. So, for today, let me just open my sheet here. Okay, here we are. If we are taking a look at the current month, we are currently down around $61. Here's the trade we have taken in the past. So, just to be sure, I think you guys can hear me properly, I guess. Yep, system is good. So, let me just make it small. Okay, right now we are on gold. We'll go to weekly time frame first and see. Let me just put support over here because it's on a weekly base. Price have rejected here twice, and right now it's rejecting again. Looking at this strong bullish candle. So what I think on a weekly time frame is if we see any break below two 2285, I think then we are looking for sells. Okay, but it's long short. But as we do scalping, we'll go to a smaller time frame. On a daily time frame, what I'm looking at, we have a strong resistance over here and a support, a strong support. Here we have price rejections multiple times. So this is a new daily candle. It neither have break the highs or lows of the previous candle. So we will just wait at this point. Looking at the new 4-hour candle, price did went down. Now it will continue going up. So this is good. Looking at a 1-hour time frame, price have broken this resistance, or you can say newest resistance, and now it's done a retest and going up. So what we will do here, you can see the proper price have come down, and so this is a good trade actually. This is a good setup if you ask me. The only thing is, should we risk it? This is like $30 to target around. What do we have? What do we have? Okay. Looking at this highs, interesting. As we just started the looking at the charts, taking a trade immediately is not that good too. So I'll just mark a zone properly before taking this trade, to be honest. We see a clear Y up direction for like 41 pips, and we are losing around $23. That will be still really how much. So 15-minute candle will close in 3 minutes. Here's the thing, we will wait 3 minutes and see how this candle do closed. And based on the next candle, we'll take the trade. Okay. Because this, and I think I will lower my risk a little bit just to be sure that I'm taking a good trade and I don't want to risk much. Let's do analysis on GBP USD. We are on a weekly time frame right now. This candle have strongly rejected this resistance to, I mean, like, look at that left, right? Let me go on a daily time frame. Price is reaching the support area. Just to go a little bit lower on a 4 hour time frame, we are approaching a really strong support at this point. Will we continue be going down? I really doubt that. We'll have at least one rejection at this point. So what are we looking for? Something like this in a previous setup. As you guys can see, like if we found a doji or something like that, then we can execute a trade at this point. So I'll wait on 30-minute time frame. If we see something like that, then we can take the trade on this USD. So we'll wait at this point too. And today is the Friday, guys. So not risking much, End of the week, there might be really good volume, there might be no volume. So, or there might be just consolidation. Okay. Looking at the GBP JPY, I'm gonna mark this area out. This is the top high we see on a weekly time frame at this point. Going back to daily time frame, the price is just breaking the low of the previous candle, but mark that it have already broken the high of the previous candle as well. So this count as a flip. So like it went bullish and then it went down. So this is a strong sell. So I'm gonna mark this area over here. Okay. Price is now at a 4 hour time frame looking at this. Okay. Taking a sells will be like a little bit tough. Hmm. I think I'm gonna wait on this one to form some kind of, so what we are looking for here is something that price to come up a little bit and then continue go down. So lower high in simple terms, if you ask me. Okay, 15-minute candle just closed. It's been a minute and okay. Looking at this zone, should we take the trade? Should we risk it? We missed the entry point. Like I wanted to take a trade here at this point, but we missed it. So if price come a little bit around this area, I'm ready to take the buys. Okay, it could take a 30-minute time frame. Yeah, we should have executed by here, or maybe on the 15 minute that I seen here. But taking a buys now is not. I don't think so. We'll be able to target around, let's say, 20 to $20 or so, which is good, but still, this is a risky trade. So even if we get to $20, remember, like, we are risking around $15. So what do you think, guys? Should we? And there is another thing, like, you see this wick, price could easily come up at this point and reject that wick and be back down. So taking entry at this point here is risky too, you know. Well, I think now we'll wait because there is no entry point here. So I think we will take buys if price to break above 2,325. And I'm not looking for sells at this moment. Looking at the GBP USD, price is strongly still bearish. So no trade at that point. As I said on GBP JPY, if this price to close above this support, then we are expecting this some kind of a this and to bounce back up a little bit. Means okay. If you guys have any questions regarding anything related to forex or trading or something, then ask in the chat. I'll answer it. Okay. So now the 30-minute candle will close in about 9 minutes or 8. What do we see here is price is coming back down. So let's assume if the next candle do come little bit down around this point, and if it's flipped back up, that could be another potential entry, but with a lower risk, obviously, to target these highs. But we need to wait for the 30-minute close. Do we have any news? I think we have. Not that important. Looking at this, so there are some news or feeling medium sentiment. Here we might expect little bit more, but I think in the we will have enough volume in New York session. Okay, so we still have 6 minutes left for the 30-minute closer. Looking at the GBP USD prices rejecting a little bit, so we will wait for the next candle at this point. Looking GBP JPY, same thing. If this candle flows above, that's good for price to continue a little bit up and retrace around 50% and continue the down trend. I think if it retraced around 40 pips, it's still good. Let's see. Should we execute buy in the next 30-minute candle immediately, or we should wait for confirmation? Tell me, should we do a poll? Okay, you have around 3 minutes left before ending this poll. So let's see. What do we get? Guys, 3 minutes left. What should we do? Should we execute buys on gold immediately or we should wait for the confirmation? Tell me. Yeah. We are looking for at the moment buys. So we got one answer that is wait for the confirmation. So we have 1 minute left before the polls end. So let's see. We missed our, just to give you a little bit explanation on this one, we missed our entry at here. And if you look at the 30-minute time frame, there was an entry at this point. So we missed that. So that's why we look at the 15-minute time frame to get more confirmation. And we had this entry. We missed that one. So in the next 30-minute candle opens, which already did, and we got answers which is wait for the confirmation. So I think I'll wait for the confirmation. So at this point, looking at this candle, this is a huge bullish candle, which is really good. But we still need a little bit, consolidation before breaking this area. So I think I will see some rejection. And then if we break above this area, then we are looking for buys above 2,325. Let me just write it down. Buys above 25. Okay. We need candle to close above this area. Then we are looking for buys, which will be till here. So that's how much we have. That's around like 93 pips. I think I'll get around 30 to 40 pips. That's still good enough. And we can end our day. But okay, for GBP USD, guys have like closed. 30-minute candle have been closed, but it is respecting this support at this moment. So we'll wait on that one. On even GBP, JPY price have broken the support and is still respecting. So if this price to close above now, then that's a rejection. And this is a strong support and price will, continue going up a little bit, at least retrace around 50%. So yeah, we wait for that. Okay, next 30-minute candle is just right now. I don't think so anything here. Looking at this 15-minute candle, it did close well, like exactly at the resistance point. I think we will see some rejection still. So what I think will see is like something Price will go up here, rejection, there will be some consolidation, then fall. That's just an like example. Yeah, I'm checking gold. You cannot execute buys. As I said, the only reason I'm not executing buys right now is that this is a 30-minute candle. It could easily, touch this area and flip back down and cover this area. So what I think is a good to see is there some rejection at this point. If price do come down and then we see a break above, which is a good, that will give us more confirmation that price will go up eventually and will break this resistance. So that's a really good confirmation for buys. But if we reject this area and broke this lows, then price will, I think, continue going down again. So we get more confirmations on based on like 4 hour time frame. So take a look at this point. There was a there was this rejection. Okay. Then we got a huge bullish candle. The next candle is breaking the high of the previous candle. Okay. If if I was taking a you know long trade, this would be my entry point. Stop loss should be below this area, and this should be my target. But I think I'm looking for a scalp. So 20 to 30 pips is enough. If we see any break above this area, then we are looking for buys. This is a clean range at this point. You can see it here. So see, price is rejecting now. It just look at the 15-minute time frame. See? So I think we'll wait at this point. We'll wait for like 15 or 30-minute candle to close and then we see. In the meantime, if you guys have any questions, ask in the chat and we see. My lot size, I'll be taking with a 0.10 because my account size is like around $747. So using a small risk, I think whenever I will take the buys it depends on the confirmations. So for an example, if I should execute buys above this area and candle is not closed yet, I will lower my risk around 0.05, cut my risk to 50%. So, you know, that's how I will take the trade. It depends on the scenario and the situations. By the way, you have a good channel with anime thing, EMV edits. You are using one lot size on a funded account of 27K. Okay. So it depends on like do your calculations. If you're risking around 1%, that's fine. For like 27,000 dollars. What are you is it like a phase one or phase two? I think this 30-minute candle is like now rejecting and will flip bullish. What do we have on 15 minute? Oh, okay, yeah. I think this candle will flip bullish and go up. But we cannot execute any trade at this moment because there is not much confirmation. You know, for me to execute a trade at this point here, we need this 30-minute candle close bullish. I have passed the funded challenge. That's great. That's great. If you have the only account with a live funded account, then I would suggest like lower your risk to smaller, even smaller. Just target a little bit. Once you have like 2 to 3 funded account, use other two account to get aggressive and one account with a lower risk. So at least you will have one account. So the reason I'm not using any funded account right now is like I have tried funded accounts. It's not like I have not. If you go to my YouTube channel, go to videos, like I have tried trading a lot of funded accounts and I have lost it. So there are people have a different theories about it. From my perspective, funded accounts are good, but you need to be more consistent with your personal account before you go to funded account. So with this live stream, that's my goal is to get really disciplined with a personal account before going to funded account. So don't worry, we'll surely do trade funded account. Recently, I think with funding frontier, I did pass phase one, phase two. The only mistake I did was I think I should have taken my payout and waited, but I didn't. I kept trading. So that was the mistake. I should have, that's the reason why I gave you the advice is to lower your lot size is because I had only one account and I was using a normal lot size that I was using on a funded account, like to pass the challenge. So I think is to whenever you have a one account, you should lower your lot size. Okay. This 30-minute candle is approaching the resistance. If we in next like 15 minutes or so, if we see a closer above this area, we could look for buys. Yeah, this is a new. I think this is a new 1 hour candle. Everyone, thank you for joining the stream. I mean, like, it's good to have people. For past 2 days, I was doing the live stream and I was doing it alone, so it was kind of like boring. But it's good to talk to people who have, you know, trading and doing challenges. We have 15 minutes left, so I think there's a new 15-minute candle. Yep. So with this 15-minute candle, I think it could, break above, go up a little bit, and then close back down. So what we are looking for is this 30-minute closure. That's why we are looking for 30-minute closure. Absolutely, brother. Hope we do. Hope we do. If we do not get the profit, at least we will, we will try to save our capital to take a huge loss. That's the main target, to keep safe our capital. Yeah. So you watch anime? Like I seen your YouTube channel just now. Great, great. You- Man, there is a crazy community out there for them. Don't ask. Okay, 15-minute cat is trying to close above. I mean, try to went above, but let's see, let's see. We still need this 30-minute closure, huh? I mean, look at this from the like we had a huge spike up because of the news, and what we have then downtrend. So what I'm expecting is price to, you know, fill up this highs again, which is likely to be what I'm expecting is price to tap this areas. Yeah, we have around 10 minutes left for 30 minutes to be closed. So if we get closer or above these areas and next candle, we'll wait for the next candle. And if we see the next candle is like breaking the highs of the previous candle, then we can start to take a buy. By the way, where are you from? At EMV edits. What's your name, brother? What's your name? Okay. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Qazi Zain from Pakistan. And people who are new to the YouTube channel or the live stream, I have a Discord group. You can find it in the description if you like to join. Let me put the link. I think we still have around 8 minutes left for this 30-minute close. If we get this 30-minute closer above this pick, that would be a really good. Okay. Should we take an impulse entry at this point? I'm not sure I should take any. I think I will wait for this 30-minute candle to close before taking any trades. We put the link into the group in the chat. So if you like to join, you're most welcome. Okay, I think price is still going above nicely. How many minutes left? There's 6 minutes left to. Okay, let me just do some That's still 60 pips. If we get a closure above this area around this point, we can still get around 30 to $40. We'll just wait at this point now. Because I think price will reject around this area. Exactly 5 minutes left. Okay, let's see. So there's this 5 minute candle. New just open. What I mean. So what we expect here is okay. Guys, see there is a rejection point here. So I think this 5 minute candle will reject. A little bit go down for 30-minute candle to closed at this point. So if we get a closure above still around above this wick is good, and above this area we'll reduce our lot size to 0.05. But if it's close above this wick, we'll let it be at 0.10. Tell me your thoughts, like what is this, like what kind of a trading is a best way? For an example, there are scalping, there is a intraday, there is a long-term trading. So what is a good? Let's see. Like I'm looking for your thoughts. What do you think? You know, we have. Oh, let's take a look at the GBP USD prices. Okay, okay. So we cannot take any trade at them. I agree. Even I like the scalping because just take your profit, or if you have loss, just close it today. Like don't overtrade. Okay. We have around 1 or 2 minutes. This is the moment, guys, we've been waiting for. Okay, 1 minute left. We just wait 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so my thoughts are like we will reduce our lot size to 0.05. Yeah, that's what I was going to do. Like we will take a trade around 0.05. Okay, reduce our risk. So we take a buy at this area if price to a little bit come down. Okay, and we take another buy when it break the highs of the previous candle. Okay, that was we just took the buys. But stop loss below. Okay, I'll put a buy stop now here. Okay, we just put the buy stop as well with the same target. Let's see. But this was a like huge thing. Price just suddenly come down, which was I was like, what just happened? So we have a buy stop above this candle, and we have a current buy running. If this candle just flip up, we are currently at a do you guys think we should give a little bit of room to this trade to run out? But we are already losing around 32 pips. I do not think so. We need to take. We just wait, I guess. Now again, if this 30-minute candle flip, going to be a good trade for a 5-minute candle. That's what I mean when I say. Guys, give me a minute. Okay. Yeah, I'm back. So yeah, in a loss of around some pips, but yeah, we are still waiting because 1 minute left. You know what it says like first when the new candle open 30-minute candle. So first 5 minutes are like it just act different. After that, it start pull back and go the right way. If our the next our like another 0.05 order gets activated, then we need to manage the risk on that trade if price to come down again. No top wake of 30-minute yet. Yeah, that is a small top wake, I guess. Ah, okay, okay. I see. Looking at this 4 hour time frame, it gives us like more, you know, confirmation that price can go up. So if price to back below this area, our TP is around 2,335. That's my TP. The reason why it's the TP because we have a clean candle till that. After that, we can see some rejections at 2,337. So this is our TP. That's still huge, but yeah. And another thing is like if this 50, maybe on a smaller time frame after breaking these highs, it could be doing a retest, but while doing the retest, it could come a little bit down and break or hit our stop loss. So that's a little bit risky. But yeah, let's see if it doesn't happen. Well, I'm from India right now. So last year I was in Paris. Right now I'm in India. The prices. We have some time, I guess, to start and then session. I'm sorry, new option. We have 1.5 hour around that because I'm in IST, so I know the time zone based on Eastern European time zone. So yeah, we have 1.5 hour left to start the New York session. So we might see some volume in an hour or so. So with that volume, I'm expecting that price should go up. Yeah, I was on a call, so I made around $1,900 on PPI news. Oh, that's good. I mean, I think I was looking for cells, but cells didn't get activated, or I was not looking for buys. I was just waiting for the news, and I didn't want to, risk it for the first time. So, I mean, that's good actually. But how much? What was the lot size you used for like $1,900? Okay, we see price is now 30-minute candle is bullish. So, okay, I think my another order did get activated. Yep. So we put stop loss below the candle, a little bit below, just to be safe. Okay. So my both orders are now activated. I think because of the spread, there is a like went down. It just increases. We are risking around 30 pips on this one. Fee rates of 0.50. Ah, okay. So 1.50. That's good. Like, I guess depends based on whatever is your like target for the week or month. Just use that and target that much amount only. If you have made enough profit for the week, call it a day. I will suggest. Don't trade 1900 and take the payout, brother. Take the payout. Don't trade with and because I did the same mistake. So I made around $2,500 profit and I kept trading. So if I had closed it and just waited for the payout date, which I didn't, well, this moment we have 15-minute candle will be closing. I have taken 1 to 2 trades. It is loss or win. Right now, if you have taken this trade, if you mean, well, we cannot say it's a loss or win. We are still waiting. I mean, If it close below this, line, I think it will continue going down. But before that, we will manage the risk. And we have only 1 minute left for 50 minute to close. So let's see how this 50-minute closer. Okay, is like this. So I'm not expecting that. So let's see how it see 30-minute candle is flipping to bullish. So if we get a break of this high, then it's a good to go. So let's see if we can get that. We have around 5 to 6 people watching the live stream, I guess. Guys, if you're watching the live stream, go and like, and if you like to join the Discord group, link is in the chat, and we will do live stream every day. The main motive of this live stream is to be disciplined with your capital. So that's what we'll do, and risking really less as much as possible. So I started with around $800. I have till now I have lost $50 to $60. So let's see. The next target we are looking for is 2,335. And if it breaks above that, I think I'll close the trade at this point because I don't want price to touch this area, because most of the time when it touched the previous high, like the news highs, what I mean is like you can see there was a news here, Canada closed at this high. Okay. So whenever price again come to that highs, it reject really heavy with a really bearish volume, you can say, because after that price have started, going down. So I'm not expecting that price will come this much up. And if it does, it will reject. Or it depends if there is a fundamental behind it to push the price above. Or what we can do is like closed one of the trade and let the rest run. As look at this 15-minute candle. What I'm seeing is there is really a small wick there, so I don't count it as a no wick. So it's kind of a risky for this trade to continue going up, but even if it touch around 2034, we can close partials at least. You closed all? Great. How much did you make? How much did you make? Amazing. Great, great. Now don't trade. Wait for the payout date. Get your payout. Let's see how this 5-minute candle reacts at this point. Because if it, come back below this area, I might need to manage my risk. Yeah, that's what I'm concerned about as well, that there is no bottom wick. So price could come back down and, touch this lows. But besides that, looking at another smaller time frame on 5 minute, price have, done a retest and continuously going up. So that's why I'm holding the trade, because sometimes no bottom wick, what does it mean is like price have a really bullish volume. So that's why there is no time for price to go and create any wicks. You understand? We are up around $17. Let's see if this 5 minute candle do, shoot up or not. Yep. Okay, we have this 5 minute candles now respecting. This is the 30 minute candle high. Even if this candle do closed, which we have 8 to 9 minutes left. So if this candle closed, okay, I think the next candle will still go up around this area and then, come back down. So we are expecting on that. We are up around 21. Great, amazing. Around $30. So here's the thing. I closed partial at this point, close to one trade, putting this trade at break even because I don't want to lose. Okay, great. So today let's take a look at the history. We lost 23, 5, 7, 24, and we made profit today, $10. Amazing, yay. And we have one trade running with profit at a break even. So what I'm expecting, we have I think closure in 30 minutes, around 6 minutes. Yeah. So in next 6 minutes, if this candle stays above this area, I think we can still expect the price to go up till around this area. So I'm managing my take profit till here. We wait. People who have made the profit, close it, close your partials, call it a day, and go home. Oh, we have not take a look at GBP USD. Okay, this candle did close while rejecting another candle. Looking at the GBP JPY is still bearish, so no trades on that. Where can you text me on Discord? Oh, you joined the Discord? Yeah, I see you. Let me just say you hi at the rate. So that's me. Because we have really good moment at the moment. We have a really good volume. I mean, so in next 5 minute, 30-minute candle will close. What I'm expecting in the next 30-minute candle to do is at least closed at the time of the close to a retest, but while respecting the lows. So let's see, let's see. I'm not sure. Should we continue the live till New York session? Let's do a poll. Let's do a poll. Guys, continuing live stream till New York session. Let's see what we get. Should we continue? Or we get one yes. I'll give around, do you study or only trading? That's a really good question. So I do, I like to learn things a lot. So I keep learning. And if you're talking about trading, yes, I'm still learning things because it's like I have to spend good amount of time learning, and I cannot yet still say that I have learned completely, you know. So that's why you see me on live, or you will find no course or nothing because I'm still learning things. Okay. So that's it. Or if you mean by study, what do you mean by study? Like, do you mean by I do college or something? Uh, yeah, I did the college last year in Paris, but I was not that interested in that. I was doing hotel management, so I was not that much interested in that. So my interest was in finance. So I will study things related to finance. For an example, there are some things which does require a lot of time, to be honest. So we'll try to do it. Like another main thing that I am looking to do it is to build a really good community on YouTube or Discord where people can connect related to trading, no matter if it's just Forex or other things. There are really good markets besides trading. Okay. I mean, sorry, besides Forex trading. So, people, if you are looking for a good community, that's another thing I would like to do. We have 1 minute left for this 30-minute candle to close. Let's see. As I said, like we can still see the rejection once it hit this area. So what we are looking for when this candle do close, if it's above the previous high of the candle, that means it's still respecting the highs. So this new candle should respect the lows while continue going up. I'll give around 15 minutes for this poll that we did. Should we continue the live stream or not? So we got one yes. If that yes stays yes for 15 minutes, then we continue till New York session. We're still in loss around $50. So that's still like how many percentage? 5% or so of the account. What we are expecting is to grow steady and slowly. See, this is good. Like price this night nicely came down and now it's flipping up. If it does flip up and take the highs of the previous candle, amazing. We are targeted around $42. We already closed our day in profit, so we are not risking anything on this trade. What do you do? I mean, what was your name? Zane. What you do? Man, I need to eat something. Give me a minute. Anyone would like to eat something? Do we see the price is coming down? I think it will hit the break even, most likely. The price volume is like, that's good. And we are gone. I think we will hit the break even. And look at that price just came close, so closed that I was like, yeah, we are gone. You're out of the trade. What will we do for till New York session if we hit break even right now? 1 hour flip? Oh, I didn't take a look at this one. Possible, yeah, it's a 1 hour flip possible. So if we see 1 hour flip, we could enter another trade, but which I don't want to. Should we give another chance to this trade? Let's say if we hit break even, then we will take another give another chance. If we do not hit the break even, Then we already have one trade running, so we'll let it. Because 4 hour kind of have a really nice and clean setup. It could just continue go till here. This should be our TP. Let's study. Let's take a look at 15 minute. We got taken out. So let's see what do we have. We made around 0.09. So okay. So if we got any flip on 1 hour time frame, we might take it, or we got any retest of this zone, then we take it. I guess we continue the last. Look at this. I mean, the 1 hour flip is so big. How much pip is that? How much? That's like 32 pips. How long do we have till the 4 hour candle closed? So we have around 1 hour 51 minutes. Because this candle started at okay. This is the like last hour candle for 4 hour. So I do not think so that it will flip right now. There will be no flip on 1 hour, I guess. Even if it does flip, it will come back to the top, reject that area, and be back down. GBP USD. What are you right now? Yeah, that's is it any broker or what? No, you mean like the YouTube chat? It does just show up on your what do you call it? Studio, YouTube studio. Oh, this is C Trader. If you, what are you on trading on? Like which platform? This is C Trader. It's a pretty good. Yeah, that's C Trader. That's what I'm using right now. C Trader. Okay, see, when I started the live stream, I said that we are looking for consolidation. We have consolidation right now on GBP USD, but this is like not a strong confirmation that price will reject. So we need a bullish candle to close on 30-minute time frame for to get a pass confirmation. Same goes for GBP USD. We have quite amount of a time. Yes, I think this candle is now flipping. Should we take a small buy? Can I take a look at the 15 time frame? Okay, so here's the thing. Put stop loss below this low, and we're gonna target this. You know why I did this? I mean, why I taken this trade is simple reason that 1 hour candle can flip and break the high, okay, before it can do anything. So looking at 30 minutes, it did break the low of the previous candle, but after that, it directly rejected. So I'm expecting whenever the new candle open up, we're expecting the price will go up a little bit more. Even if it just break the highs, I can close partials at that point. And looking at the 5 minute time frame, this is a strong bullish candle after rejecting the support. So if it closed or touched that again, so that might be like the close of that our trade. And another thing is like what I think this is a really strong one and doing a retest of the previous zones. Yeah. So most likely this price will reject and should go up. If it doesn't, we wait. We have 1 minute left till this 50-minute candle do closed. So let's see. Guys, I'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, yeah. So yes, I have taken the trade, but I won't advise you to take the trade because you already made the profit. Okay. I did as well, but I just wanted to take the trade because there might be 1 hour flip. So it's still a risky trade based on what I'm looking for. Yeah, new 15-minute candle just started. So if this candle now flip back up again above this area, I don't think so. Price will come back down. It will shoot up. So my target high of the so this is the like where I can close the profit. But I'll take 8 to 10 pips. Yeah, up to you. Then because if we see the break of the highs on a 30-minute or 1 hour time frame, I think yeah, then it will touch this zone and be back down. So that's what I'm counting on. So looking at the 15-minute time frame, we see a bullish candle, a bearish candle. So that's equally volume on the both side. Once this candle break the highs, that means there's a buyer's volume is better than the sellers. So that's what I'm counting on. As just to manage risk. Okay. Now price have already flipped bullish. So what I'm expecting that if price now break this low again out of the trade. So in simple terms, I think I'm risking my profit right now. Based on 30-minute time frame, yeah. I think we have around 8 to 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes left for this 30-minute closure. Let's see. How much pips we are risking on this one? They have 24 pips. Interesting. This 5-minute candles are looking interesting to be honest. Look at this. This shows that price might, come down and might go up. See the flip of the 15-minute, but in 10 minutes, it closed. I think we are entering in pre and Y section, right? Just to be if this 30-minute candle goes below this area, it might easily take our stop loss. So what I'm thinking is like safe and giving enough space for our trade to move and see. Based on 30 minutes and 1 hour, stop loss are pretty good. So if this price comes back down and break the highs, sorry, lows of its own again, then I think it will continue. We have around 6 minutes left. Easy. Look at this. We got a bullish candle here. If we get a bullish candle on GBP USD, we can still take a trade on this one. Last 5 minutes, I guess, I think, or 30 minutes and 15 minutes. So next 5 minute candle is the important one. Let's see how this candle do closed. The good thing is the candle is respecting the lows of the previous candle. Besides that, it already broken the high of the previous candle. So if this candle do closed above, at least here, or stays above this line, that's pretty good too. But let's see. If it doesn't, we are in trouble. Okay, it did close at least above this line. So next candle should make a wick and continue going up. It still depends. Right. We got around how many minutes? 3 minutes. 3 minutes left for 30-minute candle to close and 15 minutes. So let's get it. Let's see something. Okay, if this 30-minute candle do flip bullish, okay, then I think 1 hour will, yeah, 1 hour candle will flip bullish. So let me just target this one. Yeah. So simple as that. We have 2 minutes left. In 2 minutes, if this candle do flip bullish, we are expecting some really good volume to the upside. But if it does close like this, then we might see some consolidation. Hey, what's up? It's nice of that you joined the live stream. Do you want me to get you on a call? Okay, guys, 1 minute left. 1 minute left till the candle closed. So let's see how it closed. So we have taken trades based on 15-minute time frame. We will look at that. So 1 minute left. I'm sure I can come for a bit. Okay, let's see. Can I get you on a Zoom Discord? Let's do call on Discord then. Oh, can you hear me? Let me change the because I cannot hear you. Okay, yeah, sure. Bro. Take your time. Oh yeah, price is moving pretty good. I didn't take a look at that. So 30-minute did candle did closed. Yeah. Amazing. We are expecting some volume. We did. So what we are looking for is now there's no bottom wick at the 30-minute candle, which is not good. Okay, let me take a look at the highs. 1 hour candle did flip. So if it does break the highs, let's see. Give me a second, guys. Okay, let's get it here. Before that, oh yeah, it may come down. Yeah, possible it may come down. But that's why I'm waiting for it to grab the highs. So if it does, I think I'll close the partial 45 position. So we are just waiting for it to close the high, touch the highs. Then we closed around 0.02 or 0.0 something. Yep, great, great. I'm still waiting at this point. Like, I think if it grab the highs, which will be good. Hey, yeah, what's up? Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah. So, what? What's up? What's up? Yeah, I don't know. Like, you sound like a really big man. Yeah. Okay, okay. I don't know. Can you, Zain, can you tell me, like, if you can hear the other person with me? Let me ask in the chat if they can hear. Oh, okay. So I don't know. Do I need to change settings something? Oh yeah, the guy can hear you. Is it like a proper sound or like yeah, I think it's proper, it's good. He can hear you. Yep. I'm good, I'm good. I just started live stream like it's been 2 days. Today's the third day. Yeah. Okay. I think we are just nearly touching the highs. So it once it cross it, then we might close our partials. What's up with you? Like, how are you doing? Yeah. Yeah, great. So, yeah, you're still trading that means, right? Uh, No, I'm asking you, like, you're still trading with that account, right? Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, I did, but I did a really big mistake with that. So, you, so what did I do? Right? I made around $2,500 profit, and I should have. I don't know why I did it because I was so consistent with the phase one, phase two, and with the funded account. I didn't made a profit, but I did took another trade which went wrong, and yeah, that was the trigger for my emotions. So I think that then after that I made that loss. So I was still okay with the like I was at a break even. I was not in the profit nor in the loss. But after that, whatever trade I have taken was in loss. So eventually I did lost the account. Yeah, but it was a good lesson. It was a good lesson because that was the first time I get funded, right? And it was good still. Mhm. Yeah, when you get funded. Because there are some additional rules when you get funded, to put the stop loss every time and other things. Yeah. Yeah. Because now, yeah, now it's that 100K is not a phase one or phase two, is the real, like, you will get the payout. So, true, true, true. I have, now I have, now I understand. True. Funding frontier. Guys, YouTube chat, I'm closing the partials right now. Okay, we have 0.02 still running. We'll make it at a break even. The voice of your friend is not clear. Okay. Well, I don't, okay. I don't know, like maybe it's because I have a microphone and the other switch. Okay, yeah, sure. I think Zoom should be fine. Yeah, let's do it. No, 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 I need to create a new one. Yeah. Thank you, Zain, for telling us that our voice was not clear. Let me create a Zoom link for him so he can join us. Okay. Yeah. Sometimes maybe it could be because like I have two different things. Okay, look at that. Price is moving so good. So I think we are approaching the level that we have talked. So yeah, we are approaching the level here. Should we close this trade? Okay. Okay, YouTube chat. How is it now? Tell us. It should be like uh, okay, I'm gonna close this one here. Let me ask. Let me ask. Let us know how is it now. So guys, we did close the trade. Okay now. So okay, I think it's okay now. Yeah. It might be because like I have two speakers with that different microphone, so it's not in the same audio. So yeah. Let me see if I can add another audio input with no, they can hear me properly. It's they cannot hear you like something. Yeah. Let me see. I think I need to add output audio to my OBS.
Yeah, it's probably that.
Okay, guys. Okay, say something now. Say a big sentence.
Well,
Oh.
it's been a really, really, really nice time. I'm so happy for my guy Hakil to start a YouTube channel and to
Yeah.
start streaming and all that.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's enough. That's enough.
That's enough.
That's enough. Okay, is it now better? Like, or is it like is audio mixing or something? Can you tell us?
Yeah, I think now is great. Like I'm
Okay.
trying to I found it on YouTube. So yeah. There's like a delay, but that's yeah, it sounds pretty good. Now
Okay.
clear.
Now clear.
Yeah, okay.
So,
Cool, cool, cool.
so I think I made a pretty good trades today. Like look at this. In the start when I started the stream, I had like losses, losses, losses. Then
Oh,
today we made around like $30.
yeah.
Voice
Just
is
check.
too much high of your
Oh,
friend.
you've been streaming for 2 hours right now. Okay, nice.
Yeah. So your voice is too high. Okay, let me set that for you. Okay, say something now. I don't think so. It should be high now.
Uh, should I boost your ego a little bit more? Should I just like go? Okay, this is the best trading community in the world.
Yeah, that's Let me show them who you are while sharing our uh
Okay, okay, okay.
give a second, guys, give a second. I'm helping you, you know.
Show them the Andrew Tate of Forex
Yeah.
community.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Oh yeah. So people, if you don't know who's this guy, we had a podcast with him. Okay. You can check it out in the YouTube channel. Okay. This is the guy. This is the face right now who's speaking.
The best the best one.
The best
Like
is
holding my head.
like, can you imagine he went through like 250 courses?
Oh,
We,
good old
we,
times.
we don't get started with that.
Yeah.
Otherwise, live stream will be like.
Man.
So, what are your
Ah,
thoughts on like gold right now at the moment, as it's like,
goals?
Mhm. Yeah,
Um, Let me
take
check.
a look. We are
I'm pretty
approaching
bullish.
4 hour resistance. I think, yep.
Yeah, this it's pretty bullish, like gold overall, like for the past
Yeah,
month.
it is. It is like
So
so bullish.
it's
I think
yeah, yeah, yeah.
it will now. I think maybe in a month or two, it will start coming back to 1900s or 2000 to
Oh,
do a little
dropping
bit of,
down. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah, eventually.
Yeah, it's possible. It's possible. But it's gold and like if I look like the past price, especially like on the daily or something, like it doesn't usually like have a in like let's just say it's not like it has a clear pullback, maybe like if on monthly or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
But
Yeah.
yeah, it seems on monthly like it can get a like a big pullback down, and then like you said, yeah, about 190 something like that, and then keep going up. It's a
Yep.
possibility for sure.
Yep.
But
Because
like if you're day trading, right? You're not swinging it, right?
no,
So
no, no, I'm not swinging because to be
yeah, so
honest, I
like
have tried swing trading, and the way price just move, it's like sometimes it gives heart attack.
hard
So
to hard to watch.
like let's say if it's going in on a trend, and sometimes because of the news, it just reverse it totally. So that happens. Anyway, today is Friday,
Those
so last day of trade, and I don't think so. I'm gonna take any other trades. We already made enough for today. Let's see today how much we made. We made around $33. So that's for our account. That's around 3 to 4%.
that's pretty good for the day.
Yeah, that is. That's why we need to stop now. We don't take any trades.
Yeah, gold is wow. It was moving nicely.
Like the day.
I don't trade gold that much. Like I'm just looking at it lately,
Yeah.
but there were quite a lot of nice. Like I since I'm entering on 1 minute, right?
Mm-hmm.
Um, there was a nice trade for me, right? I'm looking at it
By
right
the way,
now. It was
how is
like a
your how is your health now? Like, is it good now? All
oh, I mean, yeah, it's kind of been like up and out, you know.
okay.
Like it started getting better, then a little bit, pullback. Pretty much like the price. Um,
Pretty much like a price.
but yeah, yeah, and but overall, yeah, it's getting better. I mean, like when I have a kid now, so it's kind of not really important for me, right? My health and my things about me are not
Uh-huh.
important anymore. So it's about
Uh-huh.
the kids now. So
Okay.
yeah,
I'm pretty
but
sure they
it's
will do
difficult.
fine. They will do fine. I'm pretty sure they will do fine.
Yeah, yeah, for sure, for sure.
Yeah, because they have a
It's
really good
just
parents, you know. They have a
yeah,
really good
of course.
parents. Yeah, of course.
Yeah. What about you, man? When I'm gonna see a little small Indians running around your house?
It's there is still a lot of time. Man, I'm just 21. Give me some time to live my life, you know.
You can live your life.
And,
Man, the
and
only thing,
another
like,
thing
I
is
swear to God, like,
what?
if 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 I would, the only thing I regret is like not starting it earlier. You know, like okay,
Ah,
I'm like 29 now, but if one thing I can say, like, probably would be, uh, like I would have made like 4 kids by now.
oh,
I swear, bro, it's such a joy, man. Like you cannot regret having kids ever. I mean, yeah, for sure. Like sometimes it's hard for because some people maybe are not financially
yeah.
set up,
The,
so like you have that as a reason. But overall, man, like it's not it shouldn't be a reason ever. I swear, man. Like I was thinking like the 3 years ago, like I would be fuck, man. Like I do have enough to raise a kid, but like you know, like I want to be like very very safe. But it's actually it doesn't really matter, man. Like when the kid comes, you don't really care. Like you're just gonna do anything, you know.
yeah. I mean,
I mean,
I mean,
anything that's
mostly people
more
do
worth, of
not
course.
do not take that decision because of the financial things. I think
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
that's a
It is
good
what
thing
it is.
that we have printing machine with us. So
Mm-hmm. 100%.
yeah, if you learn this skill,
Oh, oh wait, you also trade GU and GJ, right?
oh yeah, yeah, I do. I think right now it's on a like if you look at the 4 hour time frame, you will see like it's in a really strong support zone. And what I'm expecting is price to at least once this 4 hour candle is closed and we see 1 or 2 candles on 4 hour or maybe on smaller time frame like 1 hour, you can see the price is now rejecting. So we can take buys till like if it rejects around 20 to 30 pips at least, that's still a good
Okay.
trade.
Yeah, okay. It makes
See,
sense, right?
yeah. And same things on GBP USD, sorry, GBP JPY. If you look at this, like price did break below, but it's now taken support of this area. So,
Like
but,
starting
but
to like I'm you're live on as well on YouTube, right? So especially like if the people want to follow up what you're doing, I
mhm,
think your the delay you have to make it shorter if you can. Like your
like,
delay on the from talking the real time to the YouTube is
uh-huh.
quite big. Like you can make it maybe like 2 3 seconds less. You know,
Okay, how can I do that? I'm not sure, like, if they are.
I think there's a like before you start call,
Mhm.
I mean stream actually. I think there's something to set up there. Like you have to like let me
Setting
see
or
if I can
something.
try to do that. Yeah, but it's only like before you start a call, I think. So let
Okay.
me just see.
Maybe next time
Uh,
before the stream, I'll check it out.
yeah, yeah, for sure. Okay,
See.
so I cannot do it. Oh, I have to wait like 24 hours. Oh shit. Um, yeah, yeah, yeah. No. But for sure, like when I was starting to stream,
Hmm.
I think I had that as well, and I was like I would put my stream on the phone and just
Yeah.
try to look at it, but it was a big delay, big one.
Ah, okay.
So like for example, if you like the only I mean it's not a problem for you or overall when you're explaining stuff, but if for example you're gonna say that you're gonna enter a trade, it time will pass
Yeah,
by
yeah.
until, it will be shown on
Yep,
YouTube.
yep. Yeah,
That's
people
why.
will get it late. So because transaction, so I will take a look. I will
Yeah.
take a look when I end the live stream. I will take a look on that because let me see if I can edit right now. No, I cannot. Like after some period of time, after a month or so, I think what we will do is take one of the people from the chat and put them on a call and see what they have to say.
Yeah, for sure. That makes sense. It's
It would
nice
be
to consider.
amazing, talk to new people,
Yeah.
share the lives,
For
share
sure.
the life journey.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yep.
I need to continue live stream till New York session. You know that.
Yeah, I was about to ask you, like, how long do you stream? Like,
Like
because
I
I
was
think
about to.
I wanted to get in yesterday, but you
Mhm.
had like a 1 hour stream or something like that. So I came in
Yeah.
late.
So the thing was like I usually do start around at my time zone. I usually start around 2 to 3 p.m. later on that. So I once I take the trade and call it a day. So I had already taken the trades, call it a day. I would have left right now, but I cannot because I put the poll that if I should continue the live stream till New York session. So they said yes. So I need to continue.
I see. So wait, but New York already started though.
Yeah, till the end. Oh no,
After
it's
the end of New York.
yeah. I'm gonna die till the New York
Oh,
session.
oh, shit. Yeah,
Yeah, New York session will
that's
just start.
pretty long time.
Yeah, in 1 minute it will start. I think. Yeah, right. In a minute, I
Yeah,
guess.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, let's see. Let's take a look at the gold. Like, what kind of a volume does it care? Because I think in New York session we have pretty good volume.
Wait, I'm like making yeah, yeah. So yeah, New York is starting. Oh, right, bro. Jesus, I'm so bad. I Because lately I've been my time changed
Ah, okay. Like,
a
what happened?
lot. Oh, I just realized. Yeah, something on my computer. Wait, how is that? My wife was using it, so like I
Oh,
think like okay, so for me like New York started like 1 hour ago,
oh, like I
but
think
it's
that's.
not supposed to start 1 hour ago.
I think
Oh
it
my God, the
just.
zones.
Yeah, now it
Oh, the
started.
time zones.
Yeah, see,
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
on the C trader, if you look at the below here, the section. So it says like trading section from London. Now it start. Now it the New York just
Yeah,
show up.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah, 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 yeah.
just now New York session just started.
Oh my God, bro. It's so bad. Oh. Wait, I need to fix this. Ugh,
Yeah.
yeah.
By the way, you
Like
don't.
I'm waking up for like 2 hours earlier, bro.
What?
I'm waking up like 2 hours earlier. Could it be
Why?
sleeping?
Why?
But because it's like 1 hour, my sessions are like on the
Oh,
chart. Like I
okay.
wasn't even
Because
looking
yeah,
for the.
because you got New York session 1 hour earlier, so time zones are changed. That's why.
Oh my. Yeah. Mm. I mean, it's been for the last week or so, so it's not a big deal. I
Ah,
I,
okay,
I was trading FTMO with that time frame. That's kind of weird, you know.
okay.
Oh dear, that's fine. Maybe that's why I passed. You know,
Yeah, that's why you
I
passed
shifted like my sessions.
to a
Nah, I'm
different
joking,
zone.
I'm joking. Yeah. Um, um,
I mean, like from last 2 days, today we get at least some views. There were people. There is one guy who was chatting with me, Zain, pretty good guy.
I mean, yeah, I saw like you also like created your site as well, right?
Yeah, my website, right? Like I'm still working on it, so it's a
So
secret.
is it like a course site or
No, it's not a
just like a
course. For the community section. I'm thinking of like building a community, but it's a
Mhm.
long-term thing.
Yeah, of course. I mean,
So for now,
that's
I
tough
think
to do
for
for
now,
sure.
yeah, for now, I think I'll get people. Yes, he's still here.
So here,
Yeah, the guys that
my
are.
guy has a Naruto profile picture. That's my guy for sure. That's my guy.
Yeah, I checked. He have a YouTube channel like AMV Edits. He uploads like anime videos, short content. So
Oh, cool. Cool, cool.
okay, give me a second. I got a call. I'll attend that. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
So for now, you can talk to the live chat. They can hear you.
Okay. AMV edits. My guy, are you watching Naruto? Or you already watched it for sure? Tell me who is your favorite character in that anime, and we can start discussing things.
Yeah, what's up? Sorry. It took me a little bit. Yeah.
No problem. No problem.
Yeah, still going on. Okay, so what do we have? Looking at the market right now, I don't think so. We can take any trade. Ooh, GBP USD is like having huge volume, I think. Look at that. Mm, Same for GBP JPY. Okay, I think we dropped some viewers.
I mean, it's fine.
Yeah.
I remember like when I was doing that like like I was doing for like a week or something.
Mm-hmm.
Man, I think I had like one viewer, but
Yeah, it happens, right?
it
Yeah,
is what
right
it is.
now
I
we
mean,
have
it's kind of difficult because you probably need to like
yeah, right now we
do
have only
things
one.
on Instagram and then just try to follow people, to the
We have only one
YouTube.
viewer right now for
Yeah, then
YouTube.
that's me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we cannot say that we have one viewer.
Yeah, of course, of course.
I mean, like
How's your
the
family been?
response, the response.
How's your family?
How's my family? Yeah, it's pretty great.
Yeah.
Like since I moved back to India,
Okay.
it was better to be honest.
Yeah, probably
Yeah, home is
because of
home,
the finance, probably.
Yeah, like home is home, no matter what we say.
I was doing also for sales on GU, but
Going to take a
still.
sell. Uh, well, I think not yet because taking sales is really hard on, to be honest, GBGSD because there are too many support zones. So if you look at the 4 hour time frame, if you do take the sells, price can reverse at any moment.
Yeah, I know, but like there's like a set of rules that I usually follow, and
Uh-huh.
it's not really based on like what really happens like before. It's more of a, like a current price and whatnot,
Okay.
you know.
Yeah.
So like it's pretty much like a continuation trading, right? So you would have a price starting to trend to the downside, and you will be just looking for sells until market tells you otherwise, right?
Yeah,
But
I guess so. I mean, I was, I think I forgot something. I was doing something and I forgot.
because I don't really think that this support area will hold. I kind of feel
On GBP USD.
we're gonna just yeah, I kind of feel that we're gonna switch bearish and
So,
then keep
yeah,
trending to the downside.
possible. We might not hold that area. Like, look at this volume. Like, I don't know where it's
Yeah,
coming from.
yeah. You also like have like 40 minutes until the 4 hour candle closes, so it's like a pretty strong bullish candle. Like maybe if you get a wick or something, then like you can think about that, I guess, support area holding. But
Possible.
It's gonna be tough.
Tough
It's
choice.
more pretty high volume to the downside. So
Let's see.
that was a 12-hour trade for me though. I don't know how I fucking missed. Oh, gee.
Okay. So yeah, what do we have? Like YouTube chat. If you have any questions, ask in the chat section. If you do not have any question, then don't ask. I think on gold, like we still have a little bit of consolidation, but if we already have tapped this zone where I was looking for, if it just come back a little bit up and create a top wick, like sells will be good, but there is a big if on that. So no trade,
Yeah, I would. Yeah, I would buy gold now for sure. If I was trading gold.
No, I'm looking for sells. When it tap the zone, this could be a
Oh,
really good
really?
sell opportunity for like 50 pips or
But
so.
you're entering on what time frame are you entering?
What time frame? Right now I'm 30
Yeah,
minutes.
and you're entering on 30 minutes, right?
Yeah,
Okay, makes sense. Because, for
because look at
example,
the
I would be, yeah, go.
so like look if you look at the 4 hour time frame, the candles have like already done with it. So for 40 minutes it will just range. So when the next candle do open, it will touch this stop wick, and I'm expecting that it will flip back down
Yeah, I know what you mean. But for example, the way I'm like go on 5 minute,
on 5 minutes.
yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, it's a delay on YouTube, so I'm like trying to watch on YouTube.
Ah,
Um, you can see how the market is trending to the upside, right? On the 5 minute.
yeah.
Yeah. So you're creating like a bullish price action in the front, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you had this break, the last break to the upside. And for me, like now on the 1 minute, uh price met the rules of holding a demand zone or whatnot. So it would be enough for me to look for buys there.
I get it.
Like not targeting like
So, oh, I think he got cut off for some reason. Oh, sorry, I did close the application. Maybe let me sorry, let me create the Zoom meeting again. Yep. Okay. So
yeah,
yeah,
you
what
can
was
hear
you
me.
saying? Yeah. What were you saying?
Um, so yeah, it would be enough for me like to look for buys. But for example, if that 5 minute shifts bearish,
Mm-hmm.
because for sure on the 4 hour you are bearish, like there's no question about that, right? On the 4 hour you're trending to the downside.
Yeah.
But It really depends on the 5 minutes. I mean that's how I look at it, right? So overall, yeah.
Like, yeah, I agree on that. But like looking at this structure, I think taking cells like even 10 to 20 pips is good. But it's a risky, and I already made the profit, so I don't think so. I will risk it today though.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Like you already have like how much you said? You had like a 3-4%?
Yeah,
Yeah, I mean that's enough,
yeah, based on the
especially on
account.
Friday, man.
Yeah, and even if we check the account size, like for $30 and 800, I started at $800. Okay, right now we are at
Yeah.
781. So for the current month, if we talk about the month, overall we are in negative $27. So that's 2 to 3%.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. For sure. Man, that GU is dropping like crazy.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, gee, I mean, like if at least the candle do closed in 3 minutes on 30-minute time frame, what I mean is like then we can still look for sells. Like, but depends on the next 30 minutes. How does it
Yeah. I
react?
mean, like I would wait for a pullback, right? And then let's see if we can get into something. But it's like what 2:30 p.m. in my time, so like the price will start to slow down since it's
Mm-hmm.
the end of the week.
Actually, it should started to slow down, but it's not showing any sign of slowing down.
Fine, yeah, yeah, yeah.
What do we have?
It's just dropping.
I mean, I think after winning trades, I should start playing games.
Yeah, of course.
Like in my
That's
laptop, there are some really good games I have downloaded, but I never get a chance to play it.
which ones?
Oh, especially the one I wanted to play is the Warzone. Oh my God, it's
Oh,
a
okay,
good one.
okay, okay, yeah. Warzone's pretty nice.
Call of Duty Warzone.
So you have like a gaming laptop?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay. Because I'm like I know it's like some of these games are pretty high performance games, so you need like a high performance
Hmm.
laptop and whatnot.
Yeah, I have like my graphic card is I think 4060 is the one, right? So
Yep.
I think it can support.
Oh yeah, I think you can. Yeah, should be able to. So. Yeah, my brother's listening. I'm gonna go now
But yeah, sure, sure, sure.
because yeah,
I
the
was
kids
like,
and all that. Yeah. So
yeah.
it was nice talking to you, man. I will try to get on calls to support your work
Yeah,
as much as I
sure.
can, right?
Sure, sure. Take your
So yeah,
time.
man. Have a good one and good luck. Okay.
You too, you too. Ciao. Bye. Okay, guys. Look at the GBP. It's like dropping like so. I guess even I need to go. Like we already taken our trades. Look at that. So when we started the trading from 12th, we taken $23 loss. Then we have on 13 we taken a two trades, good loss. Today we taken two trades, both are win and pretty good trades. So I think we will call it a day and we come back on Monday and see. Oh, price is like now rejecting. So look at the 30-minute time frame on gold. So if we tap the zone, sells are pretty good at this moment. But nope, I won't take it. So as that said, well, we made a pretty good profit today. That was 2 to 3%, and let's continue on Monday. I hope I see you guys on Monday. Thank you all of the people who've been here. Thank you, Lekha, for joining us on the call. That's it. Thank you for being part of this trading journey. I hope I see you in the next video or live stream.